Ever hesitate to share your personal story because you worry people will judge you? That fear can stop you from connecting and inspiring others. But there is a simple way to start shifting it today. One fast method is to turn your struggles into positive, actionable stories. Let me show you how you can do that in just a few steps. I just typed that prompt into ChatGPT. You can pause here and copy it if you want. Notice how it transforms each challenge into something motivating and relatable. I usually pick the parts that feel authentic to me and keep them in mind whenever I share my story. This is a quick, helpful start, but lasting confidence in sharing yourself comes from addressing the root of self doubt. The Confidence Challenge guides you through a 5 step method to reframe your experiences, so your story empowers you and inspires others naturally. You also get tools like the online marketing sales funnel templates and the 30 days of power and purpose mantras, which help you put your confidence into action every day. I'll link the challenge in the description so you can take a closer look. It's just $7 to start, easy to follow, and gives you the confidence to share your story with clarity and impact. Tap the link in the description to start the Confidence Challenge now.